Well, hello and welcome. This is my introduction video for AEP 800 Innovative Technology Integration. My name is John Jacob, and here's a little bit about me. What do I do? Well, I enjoy life, and I'm currently living the dream in Northeast Ohio near Cleveland. I'm happily married to my wife Vicki, 32 years and counting, and I'm the proud father of a son and daughter, pictured there in the top right. And I'm a retired U.S. Army veteran, having served 25 years. What do I do as a career? Well, I'm an Army Junior ROTC, the Senior Army Instructor. I teach grades 9 through 12. We focus on citizenship, physical education, and leader development. Where do I do this? I do it at Kenmore Garfield High School, which is in Akron, Ohio. It's part of the Akron Public Schools district. They're an urban district, 21,000 students, 7 high schools. I have 165 cadets out of our school enrollment of 800. What are my technology strengths and weaknesses? Well, strength for me is that the JROTC curriculum is very well designed and can be taught 100% digital. This was very beneficial during remote learning. We literally just came back to class. This was day 2 today. We've been out for 12 months. I became semi-proficient with Google Suites during this time. However, I need to continue to challenge myself and embrace other technologies. What do I want to get out of this course? Well, I want to become more proficient with the Google Suites and add-ons and any other applications. I look forward to networking with other professional educators and learning from them, and also to increase my confidence level while using technology in the classroom. I look forward to meeting all my classmates. Have a blessed day. Thank you.